finally moving day. I have been waiting for this day for so long. So I'm currently on my way to the new place now. My stuff are actually in the van, so they are driving. I'll probably get there before them. I think I have another 15 minutes to go before I get there, which is amazing. I want to try and do empty house tour before I get there. So anyway, basically I have a lot of stuff, guys. I have so much stuff and I am not looking forward to unpacking, but I'm just excited that I am already driving and on the way there, you know. So yeah, that's exciting. So now, yeah, I'm just going to keep driving and I will hopefully vlog when I get there, because I actually did forget to vlog this morning when we were packing. So yeah, we'll see. All right, see you soon. This is my only fear, that we become beautiful people. Okay, so there's 2 locks. Oops. I'm in. When you first walk in, this is the door, which is pretty nice. I quite like the door actually. And then right by the door is the main bedroom. This is the main bedroom right here. So it's the ensuite. I quite like the way it looks, really. And to be honest, I've never really been a fan of curtains, but there's curtains in this house. It's not bad at all. And I really love the light switch as well. It's pretty different from what we've got, and it's white light. And then when you close the door, it's pretty much the door. There's a space there, and then just to the left is the bathroom. So this is what the bathroom looks like. Pretty small shower, which is not too bad. Toilet, sink. I really like this sink. I feel like it's pretty cool. There's water, there's that, and then we've got the thing for the towel. One thing I just realized is that there's no towel rack, which is a bit weird. And then we've got the walk-in wardrobe. Pretty spiffy, right? It's a bit strange that it's literally here. I thought there was like gonna be a door, but it's interesting, isn't it? So that is the walk-in robe right there. It's got hanging rails there as well. And going out, so excuse me if it feels like I'm rushing, but I quickly want to do this before the van gets here so they can start moving the things. And then we've got the hallway. I really like it. One thing that got me attracted to this place is this. Like, I quite like it. I really don't know what I'm gonna put here so far, but I love the way it looks. And just walking down to the left is it's the second bedroom. Pretty decent size. It still smells so new in here, literally. So like I said, there's curtains everywhere, really. And I can see the outside. There is a window here, which is cool. To the side is the wardrobe as well. When we walk out of the bedroom is a door to the garage. Basic self-explanatory garage. And then walking into the garage, it leads outside to the backyard, which is cool. So cool. Walking back out is the main living room. Now, the one thing I find really weird about this living room is the size or the shape of the living room. It's just quite long. So then we've got this is where the couch would be, right there, okay? And then walking in, the van is here, is the bathroom. So we've got the shower right here. We've got the sink, another curtain, and then in here is the laundry. And then walking out, which is one thing I'm mostly excited about, is the backyard. It's really cool, and it's artificial lawn as well, which is cool. So then we've got a rack and leads back to the garage. And then we've got the kitchen. And that is the kitchen right here. Lots of storage. And then we've got curtain in the kitchen as well. Cool. And that too. everything is in my house now. Well, somewhat everything. There's still some stuff in my car, but literally most of the things are here. I just need to connect my headboard. Yeah, and it is only 15 past 12, I think. This is not too bad. This is gonna be my beauty room setup, filming, whatever. I still haven't I haven't figured out the layout yet. I still have some stuff in the car. That's where the TV is gonna be. I need to clean those things, and that is where the bookcase is gonna be as well. And yeah, now it's just a matter of actually arranging things. Like, I need to wash this microwave. Like, when I say wash it, it's disgusting, like so bad. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I think at the moment I'm just gonna go find where I put like my cleaning things so I can clean the coffee table. I can't remember where I kept it. I think it was here. Yes, I found it. Oh no, my poor plants that I actually squashed in here. All right, sure. We got that. I know there was a box where I put most of the stuff in. No, it's not this box. Where's the box? I'm gonna start with the kitchen, so I'm just unpacking some things, and then later it's just gonna be me like arranging or decorating. But for the moment, everything has to be unpacked so I can decorate later. So that's what I'm doing now. It's a lot of stuff. It seems so overwhelming right now. I just want to at least get the kitchen done, you know. I am somewhat done with the kitchen. I have pretty much just put most of the things that are supposed to be in the cupboard, in the space. It feels a bit good. At least I know I'm done with the kitchen for now. So I've got some things in there already. And I just popped this on here for now because I'm trying to figure out what it is that I want. So right now it's just going to stay there until I figure it out. My plates, they're all in there. I have a lot of cupboard space, like a lot, which is what I like, so that's good. Pretty much done with this. I still have to clean the microwave and the fridge. The inside is pretty, like, it's not clean, you know, not clean at all. And the microwave, I don't even want to show you. I don't want to embarrass myself. It's dirty. So what am I up to now? So basically I'm still trying to figure out the lounge because this looks quite weird. I'll show you. So pretty much the couch is here. It's sort of like in the way, but I think it looks okay, to be honest. It was kind of like bothering me that it was in the way. So I think it's okay. Just have to make do like that. And I think what I'm going to do now is just get into the bookcase, maybe like put the books away, so that way I know I'm done with those ones, and then I can move on into my bedroom. So the entire time, yeah, I thought I was recording, but apparently when I turned my phone around, I did not flip the camera, so it was not recording me doing my bookcase. Literally was not recording. How stupid is that? Anyway, so I am still in the middle of arranging my bookcase. I'm actually almost done, and then I can move to the bedroom. It's looking good so far, though it looks like it looks really busy, but I'm still gonna fix it later. For now, I'm just popping it on there, and I'm sure, and I know for a fact that I will change it. I'll show you. It's annoying that on this iPhone 10 I can't flip the camera. I have to stop the recording and then record again. That is what it's looking like so far. I still have a few more things in the box that needs to go, and yeah, not bad at all. So I'll just keep it like that for now. At least they're out of the box, you know, which is what I want. So I'm gonna finish that up and then I will come back and update. So far so good. Things are actually looking quite great. I have finished setting up the room. I feel like I actually quite like those things the way they are at the moment, so I'm just gonna leave them there. I know for a fact that I'm gonna change them later. I'm gonna take this bucket of paint off. I used it as my stool to stand on. So now I left the mirror in here. I left the mirror in there. So I think I'm actually gonna leave it here, and I'm gonna buy another one for my filming room. And the sister is here. Say hi, Esther. What the hell are you doing?
Hi. Oh, I need to stretch.
Sit.
Hello.
We're done.
I'm in a humble abode. She's always almost moved in.
Okay, bookcase is done. Hi guys. So I thought to do a little update, yeah, because I completely forgot. It is actually the day after I've moved. I am by myself now, so everywhere's so quiet and my TV is not working. I can't get a normal channel. It's so annoying. And I haven't done anything to the new bedroom. And this is still looking like a whole mess. Like a whole new mess. I still have some stuff that I still need to hang. And with my bedroom, I am mostly done, but not with decorations as well. Like, I'm not really done with decorations. I'm just putting things away. This frame, it was in the middle right there, but it dropped and the frame broke. So I'm just gonna keep this and probably just get another frame and put it in it, because I quite like it. It was like in the middle of those two there. And then I'm just gonna fix the rest of the stuff later. So far so good. My closet, so far so good. It's not looking bad at all. I'm still not done. I've just got some things here, and then we're gonna see. And I still have some of these things to arrange over here. So at the moment, I have no internet. I have no normal TV to watch. So now I am just stuck and bored out of my mind. And I don't really have that much internet on my phone either. I don't like having unlimited internet. So now I'm just stuck. I'm so bored. No one's here, so it's just me. Look at what this TV is doing to me. We've searched and it ain't working. So I think I might just do some work then, fold some things, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I need to get my phone case before I actually drop it. Good morning. I slept quite well. It is currently 9 something this morning. So just got up. So what I wanted to do this morning was basically just arrange those things, pop them over here for now until I don't know, figure out. That might be the way it's gonna stay. It doesn't look like the best arranged. I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out how I want to arrange. I'm not really a big fan of it. So here I've got like some facial products. So I basically just put the things that I use regularly here. You know, just leave them there, and then I can just pick it from there instead of bending down all the time. And I have this case where I put these things in like cotton buds, so I'm gonna wash that and then just pop it at the top here. And I also want to change these, so I think I'm gonna put this in the second bathroom. Yeah, I'm gonna put the toothbrush in the second bathroom, and then I will get another one that I'll put here. I'm gonna wash these dishes first, and then I'm gonna make something to eat. And now that I have no internet, well, I might as well use that opportunity to edit. So once I finish having breakfast. This is so like me. I usually don't eat breakfast, but I'm so hungry. So once I finish eating breakfast, I'm gonna start editing the older vlogs that I started, so I can because I'm going to my sister's later today, and then I can take it with me. If I'm done editing by then, convert it, export it, and upload it to YouTube there, because I don't know when I'm gonna have internet. So I'm gonna do that, and yes. Food's ready. You see that tiny thing over there? Yeah, I had it years ago, and I used to use it to watch movies and stuff. Because I didn't have a DVD player, and I've got no internet, and I've got no normal TV, this is what I resort to. So I'm playing Devil Wears Prada. It's so dark, I can't even see.
Is that sad little person?
Anyway, bye.